Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Last video, say hi Seth.
Hi.
Say hi Lila.
Hi.
Last video we got the boost controller installed and plumbed up in our Mustang. Took that thing out for a test drive. Had a little bit of fun with the car. This video, we're outside. It's really cold. You see it snowed a whole lot the last couple days. I've only been back from work for less than a day now. So, this is going to be a quick little video. Yeah. I've got our little 5.3 pulled out of the corner. We're going to go ahead and get this thing completely tore down. Now, the last time you guys seen this, we had the heads off it. We had the intake off it. We pulled one of the main bearing caps and one of the rod bearing caps. Looked at the factory bearings, which looked really good. So, then I just went ahead and set all the rest of the stuff back on the engine. Put it off in the corner so we could put it at the Mustang. But as you can see on the back of the car, I do have a bunch of parts. I have been gathering parts for this budget build. So we're going to jump into it today. What I'm going to do right now is go ahead and get the intake and the heads back off it. We'll go ahead and get this front pulley off as well. We'll get the oil pan off, get the rest of the main caps and rod bearing caps off, get the pistons out of the holes. Basically get this thing completely stripped down so we can get it cleaned up. See what the rest of the bearings look like. See what the rest of the cylinder walls look like. Get this thing ready to start gapping some new rings. And basically just getting it ready to put back together. So let's get this thing apart. All right, we got everything tore back down to where it was. Seth's out here keeping me company. But we got everything tore down to where it was. Got all the pistons out, pans off, all the bolts loosened up, all the main cap bolts loosened up, ready to take the main caps off. But now I'm at a point where we gotta get the front balancer off, or the front pulley, and I'm gonna use this tool right here. Now this is a tool I bought from eBay. I don't exactly remember how much I paid for it, but it didn't quite fit correctly out of the box. It's got two of these rods. These are supposed to slide. Let's see, grab this one here. What it's supposed to do is once you get the front bolt out, this goes all the way up inside the crank, and that front bolt is supposed to push against this. Well, this is the longest one. I'll pull that out real quick. You can see down the bolt there. See if there's a hole. There you go. Where this slides in. And by the time everything bottomed out, this barely touched with this bolt all the way in. So what I did was I took the short one, cut about an inch off the end, so it sits in there and it's still got the pin to run against. I got a bolt out of my bolt bin. That sits right there. That way the pin can contact that. Our puller can grab the front pulley there and should give me enough room to get that all the way off. I hope. Got my fingers crossed. So I bought it as a universal kit, but it said it would work for these. It's just either these pins are too short, or that bolt's too short, or it's missing a part. I'm not 100% sure, so that's what I'm going to do to try to get it out. But get you set up, get that pulley off there. Go ahead and get the rest of the main caps out. Get that crank out of the block, and move on from there. All right, engine is completely tore down. There's nothing left inside that thing. We got the crank, rods, pistons, all our other little parts. We've got over here sitting on the bench, getting ready to be cleaned up, gone through. Gotta get the block outside, get that thing all washed off, get it prepped, start honing the cylinders, and then getting ready to gap our new rings. He said we are going to throw some boost at this in the future, so we're going to get the rings ready for that. But to kind of keep it on the budget side, we're just going to go ahead and clean it up, clean the cylinders, gap the rings, get everything put back together like it would as like a normal bone stock little 5.3. Get it in that truck of mine, get it running, and then of course keep upgrading from there. So the only real special thing we're going to do to this engine block is just get it cleaned up, get the new rings, get them gapped for boost, and pretty much get it put back together. We got the bearings all look good, so we're going to reuse the rod and the main bearings. Rule of thumb is don't look at the cam bearings, because if you do, they're bad. So we're not going to check those. He's laughing at me. So we'll get the bottom end all put back together, get that ready. We'll get all these pistons cleaned up, get most of that carbon and stuff off them, make them look as new as possible. Also got an upgrade kit. We're going to go ahead and upgrade the springs and the trunnions on the rockers and the heads too. We'll upgrade those. Basic upgrades. A lot of this stuff we are going to reuse just to have some fun with it. See what we can do. But anyways, like I said, we got to get this thing cleaned up, get the cylinder walls all cleaned up, get everything ready for the new rings. And I'm not going to do that tonight. So I'm going to end this video right here. Got to get inside, get this edited so we can get it uploaded for you guys, let you know what's going on. Next video, like I said, we'll go over the cylinder walls, gapping the rings, and try to remember to go over a bunch of the new parts we have. But anyways, like I said, I'm going to end this video right here. Hope you guys liked the video. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And help Seth out there. Help Seth, help me. But, no, anyways. Again, you guys, thank you for hanging out. Thank you for watching the video. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.